In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional team onboarding presentation. Let's get started. I begin by clicking the Create New AI button on my dashboard and then selecting the Generate option. From here, I make sure Presentation is selected at the top. I want this deck to be brief and impactful, so I'll click the drop-down and change the card count to 6 cards. Now, I'll type in my prompt, New Employee Onboarding for Marketing Team. Once that's ready, I click Generate Outline and review the structure the AI suggests for the slides. Next, I'll customize the formatting. I'll set the text content to concise, so the slides stay clean and easy to read. Then, I'll browse the visuals and pick a theme. I think the Bone and Hail theme looks perfect for this project. After clicking Generate, I can watch as the AI builds the entire presentation for me in real time. It handles everything from the layout to the content and images, covering the first day, the first week, and even a structured 30, 60, 90 day plan. Once the presentation is finished, I can scroll through to review all the generated cards. If I want to make any changes, I can easily edit the text, swap out images, or change the layout of any slide. I can also use the toolbar on the right to add more blocks or use the AI agent to refine the content further. It's a very flexible way to get a high-quality presentation ready in just a few minutes. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for team onboarding presentations.